Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome freezing on Windows, step by step in 2026. If Chrome keeps freezing, becoming unresponsive, or slowing down significantly, it can make browsing really frustrating. The good news is, there are several effective steps to fix this and improve performance. Let's get started. First, close Chrome completely. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, and make sure all Chrome processes are ended. Sometimes background processes cause Chrome to freeze even when the browser looks closed. Next, restart your computer. A simple reboot clears temporary memory issues that can make Chrome unresponsive. Now, check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and disable or remove any extensions you don't use regularly. Extensions running in the background can often cause freezing or slow performance. Another important step is to clear browsing data. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time and clear cached images, cookies, and site data. A large or corrupted cache can easily make Chrome freeze, so this step is essential. Next, make sure Chrome is updated. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let Chrome update automatically. Using the latest version improves stability and fixes bugs that may cause freezing. If you're still experiencing issues, disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings greater than System, toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and restart Chrome. This can prevent freezing caused by graphics processing conflicts. Another step is to reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and clean up greater than Restore settings to their original defaults. This will remove misconfigured settings without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Also, check for malware. In Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Cleanup Computer, run Chrome's built-in cleanup tool to remove any unwanted software that could be affecting performance. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider reinstalling Chrome. Uninstall the browser completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google website. A fresh installation often solves stubborn freezing problems, and that's how you fix Google Chrome freezing on Windows, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.